Hello everyone. This is the fourth and the last session on Introduction to Statistics. After having understood its meaning, scope, and importance, now we need to understand its functions and limitations. Now let us understand the functions of statistics. Statistics help in providing a better understanding and accurate description of any phenomena. It helps in proper and efficient planning of statistical inquiry in any field of study. Statistics help in collecting appropriate quantitative data and helps in presenting complex data in a suitable tabular, diagrammatic, and graphic form for an easy and clear comprehension of the data. Statistics help in understanding the nature and pattern of variability of a phenomena through quantitative observations. It also helps in drawing valid inferences along with a measure of their reliability about the population parameters from the sample data. How it actually functions, we shall understand more as we proceed to finding of central tendency, finding of correlation, or finding of index numbers. If statistics is useful, it has its limitations too. Statistics laws are true only on an average. Statistics are aggregate of facts, so a single observation is not a statistics. It does not deal with individuals. Statistics deal only with groups and aggregates. Then statistics is best applicable to quantitative data only. Qualitative characteristics like honesty, like welfare, like beauty, like health, directly cannot be measured quantitatively. We cannot say my health is 1. We cannot say my welfare is 2. I cannot say my beauty is 5. So it is measured only quantitative variables. Then statistics cannot be applied to heterogeneous data. Data needs to be homogeneous, only then can any estimation be made. And if sufficient care is not taken in collecting, analyzing, and interpreting the data, statistical results might be misleading. Or anyone can play with the quantitative data and provide misleading results. So, only a person who has expert knowledge of statistics can handle statistical data efficiently. Data can be otherwise misused and wrong conclusions be drawn. And if some errors are always possible in statistical, then since it is quantitative in nature, some errors are always possible in statistical decisions. In particular, inferential statistics involve certain errors, and we do not know whether an error has been committed or not. Though the broad functions are performed by statistics, but considerable distrust also exists about its reliability in the minds of people. Distrust may be because of incomplete knowledge of statistical methods, assuming unrealistic assumptions, deliberate misuse of data, ignoring limitations, or wrong application of statistical methods. To overcome the problem of distrust, only experts should make use of statistics, and the user has to be impartial, and caution should be exercised to use statistics. I hope you have understood the main functions of statistics, its limitations, and how there may be a distrust with statistics. With this, the session comes to an end, and next time we shall begin with the next unit, that is collection, organization, and presentation of data. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.